Emitameni yekugwema kucishwa kwagesi ngenhloso yokumonga, inhlangano ye-DA yenelubito lokuthi uhulumende afake iEskom ngaphansi kwenhlekelele kushaywe umthetho oqinisekisa kwehla kwetindleko tekuphehla gesi. Ngekusho kwale nhlangano lokhu kuyowenta ukuthi gesi angembi ecolo. Lelive selo libukene nekuhamba kwagesi ngenhloso yokumonga kulamaviki kanzi lokhu kuba nemthela lomubi kumnotfo kulelive kubuye futhi kuthikamete netimpilo tebantfu.
So the DA has written to the Director General in the presidency, Tindzaba, who is also the Secretary to Cabinet, requesting that the DA's call for a state of disaster on Eskom and the electricity sector be placed on the agenda of the next Cabinet meeting. The underlying premise of that call for a state of disaster on Eskom and the electricity sector is that, in view of the dire state of the country's electricity generation capacity, South Africa should be making it easier for independent power producers to bring new generation capacity online at scale and in the shortest possible time.
Lenhlangano ithi kudzingeka kusentshetelwe etinhlelweni letawuvimbela kuchubeka kwalenkinga yetemandla.
We're calling for an electricity emergency response plan, which must be activated to lay out short, medium and long-term plans. Now this plan, which is geared to mitigate the state of disaster, to ensure that it doesn't hit us in the face, as I've said, must involve all stakeholders.
Lenhlangano ichubekela lubito lokuthi kube nekutimela ekuphehlweni kwagesi njengoba lokhu kutawuniketa lithuba takhamuti kuti phehlela gesi ngekwato.